Hello, in this video I'm going to show you what does VSCO membership do. So as you can see, I am a member right now, so that means that under my picture there's a member sign right here. And what comes with VSCO membership? So the first option is that we can create spaces. So these are just shared galleries, and I can invite people to them, and you're creating a shared community, a gallery that everyone can post there, and like a group, I would say, a group VSCO, something like that. But the main pros that comes with VSCO membership is actually the more options of editing photos. So let's say, and I would say that a lot of options actually. Let's select the photo that I want to edit and let's start editing it. So as you can see, we do have some effects. We do have also option to make the recipes to ourselves, like you have just edited some photos, so you can save it, your whole profile of editing to your recipes. And then there's also the magic wand, and this is kinda magic editing that the VSCO does by itself, but I wouldn't say it is pretty much working. But as you can see, this photo is a lot better than the standard one right now, so it works a little bit. But also, let's go to the tools, and as you can see, we can now do whatever you want if you have a member. So let's maybe edit this photo a little. Then go to the contrast, I would say maybe something like that. And I'm also maybe want to adjust it a little. Do something like this one, 3x2, no, 4x3. I would say 5x4. Alright. No. Come on. Okay. Something like this. And then let's maybe put the sharpen, saturation of the colors. And as you can see, the photo looks already better, more colorful, I would say. Also, you can change the HSL, having the membership. There are a lot of functions that comes with a membership. Also with the presets, you do have now, options for the presets, to all presets actually, that they are available. So as you can see, the all presets, there's pretty much a lot of presets that you can choose from. Oh, there's a lot of presets, I would say, featured. So these are the ones that you have used before, and for this photo the VSCO is proposing us some of the presets. So I would say the best what comes with the membership of the VSCO is more options in the editing process, and it is basically it. So thanks for watching. I hope this video helped you. If it did, please leave a like and consider to subscribe to our channel. Bye.